Welcome to this tutorial on the Synergy TeacherVUE Gradebook. To navigate to the Synergy Gradebook, hover your mouse over the Gradebook menu. Select Gradebook. To view the correct class, you can change your focus using the Focus selector in the upper left corner. The drop-down menu allows you to select the term, class focus, and period. The Gradebook has additional features to help you navigate student data. Filters allow you to narrow down the data displayed in the gradebook to focus on specific information. You can set filters by selecting the funnel icon in the top right corner of each column in the gradebook. To customize the view in the gradebook, select Options in the upper right corner. You have the option to display different information on students, grading, header fields, and other. To do this, select the category. Then toggle on the option you wish to display in the gradebook. To create an assignment, select the plus sign at the bottom right corner of the gradebook. Select Assignment. You will add an assignment title, due date, category, score type, and points. The max value will adjust after the assignment window is closed. Synergy is set up to save automatically. The green check on the top right corner means the assignment is saved. If you see red, one of the required fields is missing. After creating the assignment, you will then score it. Select the Scores tab. Under the assignment score, type in a numerical score for each student. Check the box under the Excuse column to mark the assignment excused. By default, assignments are visible to parents and students. Check the box if you choose to hide the assignment from Parent View and Student View. Select the drop-down under the Comments column to select Late or Missing. You can add private notes that only the teacher can see, or public notes that get published in the student and parent portal. It's important to note that both private and public notes are part of the student record and can be requested at any time. To view additional features in the gradebook, select Advanced Settings. Here, you can copy an assignment to another course by toggling on Add to All Courses, and then selecting the courses the assignment would be copied to. You can also determine if the assignment will be published to the portal by toggling on and off under the Parent View and Student View column. If you wish to delete an assignment, select the three dots in the top right and choose Delete. When you have finished, select the X to return to the gradebook. Thank you for watching the Synergy TeacherVUE Gradebook video. For more information, refer to the PGCPS Synergy TeacherVUE Guide.